Good afternoon, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And I don't know if you all remember Mr. Rogers. Well, he has a broken water main, and we're heading to his place now, and they just called me 5 minutes ago. They dug up the water main. They are waiting patiently for us. Follow this journey as I train my 2 sons the plumbing trade. Because we all know it's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because plumbing ain't going nowhere. We'll see you at the water main job. Wait till you see this shit show. We got multiple trucks out front. Oh, this ought to be good. They got the shop back. Sucking the water out. What we got? Well, what we got?
Them guys were saying you weren't coming.
Come on now.
They won't believe me on it.
We gotta dig this out.
No, what? No. They won't believe me. You're coming. There he goes.
It's all fun. It's all fun and games until you get the bill.
Yeah. No, it's all funny game till you get paid.
I'm gonna need 100% down.
Okay, look it. Guys, the boy comes up and goes, you
Oh, look at it.
Look the kid. That guy calls on and goes,
That's it, Coach.
someone's filming you on the kid on Facebook. I go, oh, that's
wash.
the CB2 guy.
I hope it's just a wash. There you go, baby. This is great. We're doing it. How you doing? Oh, this is awesome. Me and you are doing all the work, baby. Yeah, buddy. I wanted to get the shot on this thing here.
Yeah, that's the
You guys try tightening it?
Nah, I didn't touch
We
it.
didn't do nothing.
I told you I was going to tighten it, Chuck.
But I didn't want
we
it
didn't
till you
do
got
anything.
here.
This is
We
to
got to film it.
Yeah, the water's off. Yeah.
This is to
keep
confirm,
coming.
Chuck.
It'll keep going till.
Confirm.
This is loose.
It's loose, bro.
Alright. I'll tell you what, can you hit that vacuum in one more time?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. I like the shop vac. Man, this is good. This is good. This is good.
So you would have.
We could have done this and saved him a trip, but it would be on video.
That's right. He sells millions of these videos. CB2 got me in the kidney. We tried to plumb it up at the dinner. I was there.
That's right. Dope. What does he use?
Fell off.
What do you want, dope?
The washer's tired.
It fell off.
Nah, I need a different size. See, we got the same size.
Do you want dope or
No. This is plumbing. Ah, there it is. It only cost a nickel. They should have changed it last time.
Bad washer.
See it? Hey, Bill.
one?
Bad
This
washer.
washer's going to cost you $900.
Yeah, you got it. Put it on the tab. You got
Oh,
it.
man. It only costs a nickel.
That's right. Only a nickel. A big dime. If you don't mind.
It only costs a nickel, dog.
That's right.
There you go,
The
Coach.
best is I'm at the bar and the guy goes, you're in a
That's it.
video. I didn't
You
know
want to put that
I didn't know
bag
you were
in that
a plumber.
bag.
A plumber? I go, I ain't no plumber. He goes, yeah, you're in the video. Ah, that's what I've been used to. He got me.
There you go. Come on, baby.
Come on, be good to dad.
Oh, down in the hole.
Be good to dad.
Down in the hole.
Nah.
In the hole. Right there. Yep.
Oh, shit, I got paid for dry cleaning.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pair of gloves.
Uniform allowance.
Pair of gloves. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh, just when you removed it.
Push down, Chuck, while you screw it. Huh? Give me that shovel. You got a short shovel.
Nah, don't worry about it. We're gonna get it, bro.
Huh?
We're gonna get it.
I just want to help so we can get you out.
Want me to hold it down for you?
No, let go.
Let go. Let go. He's lining it up. Looking good.
Come on, baby. Be good to that.
Come on.
You got it, Rob.
Oh, this is going on.
There you go. Now you got it. There you
Hit it
go.
with the shop vac.
You got it.
This could be a miracle fix.
Shut that off.
That's 93.
Here it goes.
That's a done deal. You could have done this without each other.
Well, I tried, but you wouldn't.
That's why the confirmation call was for.
I know. That's why I had to come get the washers.
I think that's a go.
Let's give it the test run. Hold on, make sure I buddy your water key.
Oh, you like that one, dog? That's a
This
free
is from
water key.
Disneyland. This water key.
It's a rebar.
That's right.
Rebar.
Made it myself.
Here we go. This is back when he used to play ball.
That's right. You know that, dog.
Where's the There you go. Real slow, right?
I'm gonna be 20 this year.
Still leaking.
That's all right. All right, hold on.
I got it.
We're gonna do it while it's live.
White line.
While it's live. Here we go.
Is the back on?
Nope.
Oh, man.
Nope. All right, hit that back, please.
All right. Turn it on, Mike.
How much fun is this?
Look at that. You got a trickle.
You got a drip. All right, that's good for now.
All right.
You gotta get the shot. You gotta get the shot, right?
Got it, Chuck.
We confirmed?
One drip.
The drip?
One,
All right, now here's the deal. Since you didn't dig the hole out good enough for the plumber,
what do you
I'm gonna
need?
need someone to hold back on this end here. I'm gonna need grab
Here
you
you
a
Oh,
go.
aluminum wrench.
You don't want to use these?
Nah.
What do you want to hold? The meter itself?
Yeah. We're gonna get the hole back. CB, you learning right here?
CB.
Just watching.
Just pay attention.
Take it all in.
Just pay, just pay attention, son.
We got a flood. Hold on.
Oh, it broke loose.
The dam.
Now the other side leaking? Is the other side leaking?
Is it?
Can you just give me some pressure like that right there?
Yeah.
That's a lot of water coming in there, dude.
That's coming out of the vac.
Oh.
Yeah, it's coming.
You want me to turn it on?
Okay.
All right.
We're great.
Any more drips? We're down in the hole, baby. CB2, you taking this all in? I think we're good.
That looks good.
And there goes another satisfied customer. What's the life lesson here? What's the life lesson?
Pay the plumber.
Life lesson is
Always put new washers on the water main.
right. There you go.
The washer told the story. It was so corroded. Did we get her done?
Yeah, that was interesting.
Is Mr. Rogers insane?
Clinically.
If anybody wants to talk to Mr. Rogers, I'm going to put his phone number in the comments below. Give him a call. Tell him he's the best plumber out there. He's awesome. And for you plumbers out there that are working on your own stuff, if you do a water meter change or a water service change, make sure you change the washers also. They definitely use the same washers there as you saw. And I didn't get the second half, but I also changed the washer on the other side of the meter. I didn't get that shot, but it was done. And with that, we will see you at the next one. CB, anything?
Happy Friday.
No, CB. You're in for the night, correct?
Yep.
Have a good one.